We're making flourless keto popcorn chicken. Let's go. A lot of people actually crave popcorn when they first start keto. So I thought this would be something that could help you with your craving, and it's flourless. Now I do use chicken breast in this recipe, and the cheese of choice I'm using is Parmesan cheese. I've been finding it a really great snack. It's so easy just to pop in your mouth while, on game night or watching TV, or even as a snack at work. Now, I don't know if you might think that this is a great substitute for normal popcorn, but do let me know what you think in the comments. The nutritional information and your shopping list is listed in the description box. Let's get into the recipe now. To a small bowl, add 1 whole egg, 1 tablespoon of finely grated or powdered cheese, a 1/4 teaspoon of powdered gelatin, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder for fluffiness, and these are the extras or the optionals. For flavoring, I added 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of pepper. Whisk that up real good, and when you're done, check that it is thick enough, and if not, you can add more cheese, and I'm going with another tablespoon, and whisk again, then set aside. I'm adding 200 grams of finely diced chicken, but do use less if you want the chicken to be more heavily coated. From about 100 to 150 grams is okay. Then mix it well so all the coating gets onto that chicken and it's all well combined. I have a little saucepan here and filled it with avocado oil up to about 1 inch, and my burners are set to a medium heat. When the oil is heated, you can add the coated chicken a couple of ways. Just individually like I'm doing here, and if you have the time. Swirl it around for about 1 minute in the oil, and look, it turns out beautiful, and I think better than the other way. However, if the look doesn't matter much to you and you want a quicker option, just add the coated chicken all at once and the oil should sizzle and bubble. Then stir to separate and let it deep fry for about 4 minutes, stirring often. And when your popcorn chicken is golden, remove and let it drain on a paper towel. As it cools, it will get even more crispy. I did mean to say that this popcorn chicken recipe is a serving for just 1. So, you've got options of how much you want to have. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.